you bunking your head? Bunk. You bunking your head? Bunk. Bunk. You sit in the high chair like a big boy. Bunk, bunk, bunk. You did it again. Bunk. Bunk. Hey, why are you doing that? Bunk. There went your sister. There went sister. Bunk. Ouch. Ouch. Why are you doing that? Ouch. He's silly. Ouch. 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 Wyatt's bunking his head. He's being so silly. Wyatt, you're bunking your head? You're bunking your head, boy? Ouch. Here comes your sister. What does she have? Oh, a bear. Wyatt. He's so crazy. Why are you bunking your head, crazy kid? What's you bunking your head for? You want to take a bath with Wyatt? You'll be easy?
Yeah.
You won't hurt him? You can't splash. You want to take a bath with Wyatt? Okay, Wyatt. Be easy. Woohoo! Bath time! Who wants a bath? Wyatt. Wyatt, boy. Hey, boy. Yeah, be easy. Wyatt, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Wyatt. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.